I'm going to show you guys how to make some car slime with just 3 ingredients. Baking soda, some white school glue, and some contact lens solution. You're also going to need a bowl and some measuring spoons. First things first, 4 ounces of white glue. Dump it into your bowl. Then get half a teaspoon of baking soda and thoroughly mix it. Then we're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of contact lens solution and mix. And you will know when it's done. It'll start pulling away from the sides. It happens pretty fast. And then we're just going to knead it a little bit. And we are ready. Time for the real test. Okay, this is my husband's truck, so we're going to test it out in here. Ew. Nasty. Yeah, nasty. I need to clean up these crevices. Here. Of course, all these nasty little places. You can also get like your air vents. He's gonna get in his truck and be like, who cleaned my truck? All in all, that works awesome. And that's how you make car slime. But yeah, that's how you do it. Ooh, got some more.